In a time long ago, in the blessed land of Jerusalem, Allah chose a pure woman named Maryam. She was devoted to Allah, worshipping day and night with a heart full of peace.
Prophet Zachariah cared for her, ensuring her every need was met.
One day, he was astonished to see food that no one had brought. Maryam, from where did you get this food?
It is from Allah. Surely Allah provides to whom He wills without measure.
Her devotion was pure, and Allah had chosen her for a great miracle.
Then one day, Allah sent Angel Jibril to her with a message.
I seek refuge in the Most Merciful from you.
I am only a messenger of your Lord, to give you glad tidings of a pure son.
How can I have a son, she said, when no man has ever touched me?
It is easy for Allah, he replied. He creates whatever He wills. And so, by the command of Allah, Maryam conceived Prophet Isa.
As time passed, she withdrew to a distant place, seeking solitude.
The pains of childbirth came upon her near a palm tree. In her anguish, she cried, "Oh, I wish I had died before this."
Then a voice called out, "Do not grieve. Your Lord has provided a stream beneath you."
Shake the trunk of the palm tree, and fresh dates will fall upon you.
She ate and drank, feeling peace returning to her heart.
Soon, she gave birth to Isa Fartras As, the blessed son granted by Allah.
With courage and faith, she returned to her people, carrying her miracle child.
When her people saw her with the child, they were filled with disbelief.
Oh, Maryam! You have done something terrible!
She did not speak, for Allah had commanded her to remain silent.
The baby is strong!
Then she gestured toward the infant, as Allah had instructed.
How can we speak to a baby in the cradle?
They mocked.
Then, by Allah's will, the baby began to speak.
Indeed, I am the servant of Allah, he said. He has given me the booth and made me a prophet.
A miracle none had ever witnessed unfolded before them.
He has made me blessed wherever I may be, and enjoined upon me prayer and charity as long as I live.
Maryam's heart overflowed with thankfulness to her Lord.
Those who doubted were silenced by the truth they could no longer deny. Thus, Allah revealed His power and mercy to all mankind.
The words of the infant prophet echoed across the land as a message of faith.
From that day, Maryam became a symbol of purity and trust in Allah.
Even as a child, Isa As radiated divine peace, his soul surrounded by the light of wisdom and mercy.
Their days were filled with serenity and divine blessings.
Allah's angels watched over them, guiding and protecting his chosen ones.
And so began the journey of the prophet who would speak truth, even from the cradle.
A miracle child, a sign of Allah's mercy, and a message to the entire world, Prophet Isa Finni. As Isa grew, wisdom and kindness filled his heart by Allah's will.
Even as a young boy, he brought comfort to those around him. His words carried the purity of truth that touched every heart.
Maryam raised him with love and devotion, knowing he was chosen for a divine mission.
He often retreated to quiet places, worshiping and speaking to his Lord.
By Allah's permission, he performed signs that left people speechless.
Be, he said, and by Allah's will, it became a living creature.
The miracle spread across the land, and people began to believe. He healed the blind and the sick, not by his power, but by Allah's command. Every miracle was a reminder of Allah's mercy.
She thanked Allah for the blessings bestower upon her and her son.
He taught the young to be gentle, to forgive, and to love one another. But not all hearts were open. Some feared his truth would shatter their pride.
His name spread throughout the land, and many sought his guidance.
With a single prayer, diseases disappeared, showing the greatness of Allah.
For the first time in years, she could walk again, her gratitude unending.
Those who feared losing power began plotting against him.
Worship none but Allah, he told them, for only He deserves your devotion.
His words brought light to those lost in darkness.
He knew his path would be filled with trials, yet his trust in Allah never wavered.
His followers grew in number, devoted to his message of truth and compassion. He approached those shunned by society, bringing them hope.
By Allah's permission, he healed what no physician could.
He cried, "Truly, this is a prophet sent by Allah." But Isa Ace always said, "All glory belongs to Allah, my Lord and yours."
Wherever he went, children ran behind him, drawn to his kindness.
With kindness and humility, Isa Ace shared what little he had, teaching that true generosity multiplies the light within the soul.
Yet the leaders of the time grew fearful, plotting in silence. They sprayed lies, claiming Isa sought power and rebellion. But his mission was only to guide hearts toward their Creator.
Blessed are the humble, for they will inherit the mercy of Allah.
He forgave those who repented, for Allah loves the penitent.
Maryam's prayers for her son never ceased, her heart always connected to Allah.
He reminded them that blessings are multiplied through gratitude. His life became a moving sermon, a living example of divine love.
Their jealousy turned to hatred, and their hatred to a dangerous plan.
Knowing what awaited him, he turned to Allah in complete submission.
Then came the decree from Allah Ta'ala. Isa would be raised and protected.
And so, Allah raised Isa to returning to himself, saving him from the hands of his enemies.
When they came to capture Isa Omorbi, Allah had already lifted him to safety. Another was made to appear like him, fulfilling Allah's divine plan.
They thought they had triumphed, but Allah is the best of planners.
Maryam's heart ached, yet her faith remained steadfast in Allah's mercy.
Isa a.s. was raised to the heavens, surrounded by divine peace.
The angels welcomed him with words of praise.
On earth, the people were left divided, uncertain of the truth.
His companions held tightly to his message of faith and mercy.
We will never forget his words. Only Allah is worthy of worship, they said.
My Lord, if you will, protect me from the plans of the unjust.
Time moved on, but the story of Isa bin continued across the world.
Many searched for the essence of his teachings, the worship of one true God.
In the Quran, Allah revealed the truth about Isa and his miracle birth.
Peace be upon me the day I was born, the day I die, and the day I am raised alive.
These timeless words remind us that Isa is alive, honored by Allah.
From east to west, the followers of truth remember Isa Kimin with love and reverence.
Her faith stands as a beacon of patience and purity for all believers. The story of Isa a.s. teaches mercy, humility, and unwavering trust in Allah.
For every dawn, every believer remembers that light always returns.
And so, the story of Isa continues, a promise of faith, peace, and divine love.
Though Isa was raised to the heavens, his story on earth was not over.
Allah decreed that Isa will one day return to restore truth and justice. He awaits the command of Allah, the time known only to the Almighty. As the world nears its final age, corruption spreads and faith weakens.
Humanity forgets mercy, love, and the path of righteousness.
Then shall come the time when Allah sends Isa once again.
He will return not as a new prophet, but as a follower of Muhammad to restore faith.
The angels will surround him, announcing the return of peace. He will be recognized by believers, their hearts filled with hope and joy.
He will guide them once again with wisdom, justice, and compassion.
Imam Mahdi will invite him to lead, but Isa Sarbanat will humbly pray behind him. Together, they will unite the believers under the banner of truth. His miracles will return, by Allah's will, to remind humanity of divine mercy.
But Allah will empower Isa to defeat him.
and restore justice. With the truth of Allah's word, He will end the era of falsehood.
After the great trial, the earth will be filled with faith and tranquility.
He will live among them, teaching love, humility, and gratitude. His mission completed, he will remind all that every soul returns to Allah. And there is none from the people of the scripture, but that he will surely believe in him before his death.
And thus ends the journey of Isa, the prophet of mercy, truth, and eternal peace.